Hello everyone. In this lecture we are going to compare between plane progressive wave and standing wave or stationary wave. So my left hand side is a plane progressive wave and right hand side standing or stationary wave. This is the diagram for plane progressive wave traveling along x-axis with velocity v, and it is between two boundary medium remains stationary. Actually, this is first difference between both. So we may say plane progressive wave wave advance means travel, move in medium with velocity v. With velocity v, right? But see here, this is a standing wave. Standing wave remains stationary between bounded medium. It is, since all particles of the medium in plane progressive wave and standing wave vibrates, but there is a difference in amplitude of vibration. When we talk about the plane progressive wave, all particles have amplitude of vibration is the same. But here it also same, but at node it is 0 and anti-node it is a maximum. So it can be clearly seen here. All particles of medium vibrate, amplitude of vibration is same, and here in this side also all medium particle vibrate, amplitude of vibration is same, but nodes it is a 0 and antinodes maximum always. In plane progressive wave, at any given time, any instant, position or phase of vibration, it is changes continuously with time from one point to another point in the medium. Whereas in a stationary wave, when we see at any instant the same factor, position of a particle or phase of vibration with time, with that in that time, all particles between nodes is the same, no change. Here changes, here no changes. But in other half, it is changes in other side. In case of stationary wave, see, in plane progressive wave, all particles of the medium passes from mean position but do not process simultaneously from mean position. But whereas in stationary wave, all particles of medium passes from the mean position simultaneously, together twice in one time period. It is very important, and here never pass together from the mean position during the vibration. Now, very important characteristic of the both wave, that is, here in a plane progressive wave, It plane progressive wave transmits energy in medium. It is required to be the patience. It do not transmit energy in medium. Stationary wave never transmit energy in a medium. Then what it do? It remains between the bounded medium. In plane progressive wave, the final characteristic is, if it is transverse wave, crest and trucks are formed. If it is longitudinal wave, compression and rarefaction is formed. Compression and rarefaction is formed in this side also. C for compression and R for rarefaction is formed. In it, nodes in case of longitudinal wave and in case of transverse wave, nodes and antinodes are formed. Center of nodes are called, center of compression are called nodes. Center of rarefaction is called antinodes in longitudinal wave, and in transverse wave, nodes and antinodes are formed. It is given here in the diagram. These are the area points of the nodes and these are the antinodes. So this is all about the given topic, that is comparison between plane progressive wave and stationary wave. So this is for today only. Thank you and have a nice day to all.